The campus of St. Augustine's University in Raleigh, North Carolina, sits the abandoned St. Agnes Hospital, a monument to the forgotten history of segregated healthcare. The hospital was built by students and freed slaves using stone quarried on the campus of St. Augustine. It opened in 1896 and served as a hospital and nurse training center for African Americans. The hospital expanded over the years, and it quickly became the most well-equipped hospital for African Americans between Atlanta and Washington, D.C. At one point, it served over 75,000 black people in the surrounding 3 states. The hospital was so well respected that even the KKK dedicated money to its cause, announcing that, believing in the sincerity of the movement and being in sympathy with the furthering of such a worthy and beneficial cause, the Klan hereby declares its interest in the success and future welfare of St. Agnes Hospital for colored people, and hereby make it known its desire and willingness to lend support. It was also supported by many churches, stores, and local citizens. The hospital did so much more than just save lives. It built opportunities for the community. St. Agnes provided residency programs and medical training for graduates from the nearby Shaw Medical School, which allowed them to stay in Raleigh instead of being sent to other cities. Despite this, the white hospitals in the area still had better facilities and better health care than St. Agnes. The hospital was severely damaged by a fire in December of 1926, but was repaired and continued to operate until 1961. The hospital closed around the time that integration began, and when the new Wake County Medical Center opened, which eventually served everyone. The property was returned to St. Augustine's University, and the hospital was declared a Raleigh Historic Landmark in 1979. Part of the hospital still remains on the campus today. We were fortunate enough to visit on our way back from Wilmington, North Carolina. There is a chain link fence that surrounds most of the hospital, but we didn't really see any no trespassing signs, so we were able to get to the hospital by parking and walking through the campus of St. Augustine's. It's amazing that they have this gorgeous abandoned building with so much history just sitting on their campus. We were able to walk right up to the hospital and really see what had happened over the years. The building is just a shell of what it once was. It has been gutted from the inside and covered in plants and mud. The building fell into disrepair soon after the hospital closed. There doesn't appear to be one thing that caused the building to deteriorate so much. Only time, which has slowly taken its toll on the empty hospital. There have been plans to renovate the building to become the St. Agnes Health Disparities Institute, but who knows if that will ever happen. It would be a multi-million-dollar project to be able to restore this historic building back to its former glory to be used by the university.